Okay, so here it is. You know how you have one of those file things? Okay, so this is what, I have 2 of these. And actually I have more than that. I have a little one too. And then I have even a smaller one. So you can kind of choose what you want to use. Like there's tiny ones, okay? I think I have another one too. Yeah, another tiny one. And there's other ones. All right, so I'm gonna just use this. Today I'm gonna just use this one, just so I can, I'm looking at my time. So just, I go to where the center is, right? And you wanna make sure that you push. See, this is gonna be a small journal, so actually this one's just gonna get done. I can tell you that's already happening. But for my bigger ones, I use this and it works like a charm. I absolutely love it. So there's one hole. There's our second. 2, and here's number 3. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is have your thread long this little short side here, okay? You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna go ahead and go through. Okay. Then you go through the top one, back in, okay? Now you wanna have this about that length there, okay? Perfect, right? Okay, so now you're gonna go back through the center hole and you're gonna go to the bottom. Okay, to the bottom, right? And then after you come through the bottom, you're gonna go around the top through that little loop that you had made in the beginning. You can pull both sides, right? Check your outside, see how loose they are. These are really loose. So I wanna go ahead and pull, and that makes it tight. Now you don't wanna make it too tight because sometimes if it gets too tight, you'll like rip your pages. So just tight enough, and there you have a signature sewn. Perfect. And now that can be installed. And now I am halfway there, friends. I got one in. Okay, now that will relax. I normally put, see, it just relaxed. Okay, so there's that. So let's do it again. So I did 1, 2, 3, remember? And then you could also go one, 2, and it's about the same. And then we just want to go a little bit extra, okay? One thing I wanted to do, okay, because I was negligent, but let's flip through, because what if I sewed something crooked? Because sometimes they're not, ooh, I did good. That one was a little bit higher, but that's okay, because they move around sometimes. Oh, see, that one a little lower, but that's okay. This is Michigan. Ooh, a little collage paper in there. Music, coloring, looking good. So we did good. Okay, so now this time we want to check our pages. Okay, coloring book, move that. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna just move it just a smidgey there. Okay. All right, there we go. Cool. Okay, put this on our needle. Where did our needle go? There it is. Put this It's on our needle, so it's ready to go. And remember, you just put it in and just a little, okay? Because you want to be able to leave that tail. Okay, so let's go to our center, and we're back at it. We'll go ahead and clamp. Now I'm old school, I do this to go to the center. Remember, this thing does not need to be perfect. And I do the same thing with the next one. I just do the same thing, okay? And I do the same thing here. And look at that, you guys. We actually, I said we have 4 minutes to get it done pretty much, right? And we just installed, looked at that and all of that. And we're almost done. Okay, so remember, in to the top, back in through the center, to the bottom, pull that through, see where your threads are at. You may want to like make this one a little bit longer, right? Because now this is going to go up and loop through here. So that's pretty good. They're pretty lined up there. Those look nice. They're not too loose. Want some movement back there. And bam, bam. Next journal. It's done. One and two. Okay. We gotta do pink and white beads. How fun is that gonna be? We still need to do a closure, which I think there's, I think I have a black flower, which we'll do as the closure. We're gonna do this as a special interest in here. I'm not sure how we can do it. Not sure. It's probably just gonna go in there. And I may have to trim the sides of the card, which I'm bummed about, but it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. And then I'll have her little ephemera pack that will go here in the center. And we're gonna fill that with papers and other materials. Yay, is that cool? Is that looking good, guys? I mean, isn't that awesome? That is a cute little book. That is a cute little book. I absolutely, without a doubt, love it. And it has a little soap. A little bit of Jesus. Is that fun, friends? Yay! So thank you for joining me in this video. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you most definitely in the next one. Bye, friends. Take care.